Hello viewers, I'm Bob. In this video, I will show you the solution to the integration of x bracket 4x minus 1 to the power of 4 dx. This problem is suggested by one of our viewers. Thank you very much and apologize for not replying to your comments. For the first step, what we're going to do is we are going to start working on expanding out the 4x minus 1 to the power of 4. So I split it up into 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1 dx. Then I work out in this manner. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. And then we have 4x times minus 1 plus 4x times minus 1 gives me 8x plus 1. And as for the second pair of 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 gives me the same answer as the first pair. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand the whole equation out. I'll get the following. 16 times 16 gives me 256, x to the power of 4. And then next I will do 16x squared times minus 8x. This gives me minus 128x cubed. And next we have 16x squared plus 1 gives me 16x squared. And next I'm going to do is I'm going to take minus 8 times 16x squared gives me minus 128x cubed. Minus 8x times minus 8x gives me plus 64x squared. And then minus 8x times 1 gives me minus 8x. And then we move on to the third term of the first bracket. We have 1 times 16x squared gives me 16x squared. And 1 times minus 8x gives me minus 8x. And 1 times 1 gives me 1. Following which, we will simplify the terms within the bracket. We have 256x to the power of 4. And then we worked on the x cubed itself. It's also minus 256 to the power of x cubed. And then we have the x squared, which is 16 plus 64 plus 16. So this gives me 96 x squared. We next focus on the minus 8x minus 8x gives me minus 16x. And then we have last but not least a plus 1. And we continue to multiply. Next, the x across the terms within the parentheses or the brackets, we get 256x to the power of 5 minus 256x to the power of 4 plus 96x cubed minus 16x squared plus x dx. Then we split the terms up into such a way that it has individual integral. And now we can evaluate each integral. The integral of 256x to the power of 5 is basically just 256x to the power of 6 over 6. For the second integral, the integral of 256x to the power of 4 is 256x to the power of 5 over 5. Plus the third term, 96x cubed dx. The integral of it is 96x to the power of 4 over 4. Subtracting away the fourth term, which is 16x squared, when you integrate it, is 16x cubed over 3. And last but not least, the last term, when you integrate it, is just x squared over 2. And then we have a plus c. The very last step we're going to do is we're going to simplify terms. The first term after simplification will be 128 over 3x to the power of 6. For the second term, we do not need to simplify because this is already the simplified form. The third term is 24x to the power of 4. The fourth term is in the simplified form, and the fifth term as well. So the final answer to the integral of x bracket 4x minus 1 to the power of 4 dx is 128 over 3x to the power of 6 minus 256 over 5x to the power of 5 plus 24x to the power of 4 minus 16 over 3x to the power of 3 plus x squared over 2 plus c. If you guys like this solution, help me press the thumbs up icon and do share with your friends to test them on integration problems. I'm Bob, thank you guys for your support and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.